In this lesson, we'll review a problem-solving and data analysis question, and calculator is permitted. Question 20. Alma bought a laptop computer at a store that gave a 20% discount off its original price. The total amount she paid to the cashier was P dollars, including an 8% sales tax on the discounted price. Which of the following represents the original price of the computer in terms of P? So this is a percentage question. We don't actually have to solve it. We just have to express the starting price in terms of P. And this is an important concept that I want to review before we solve this problem. With percent questions, if you have the starting amount, so let's say we started out at $100 and we went up by 10%, right? That's easy because all we have to do is take 100 and multiply it by 1.1 and we get 110. You could also multiply by 0.1 and add it, but we have the starting amount. If we went down, let's say we started at $90 and then we went down 20%, we would just multiply 90 times 0.8 and we'll get the final value of $72. So again, these I don't think are too difficult because in both cases we have the starting amount. But you need to know for the new SAT how to work backwards, all right? Where the starting price is not given, only the ending price. So let me give you an example and then we'll come back to this. If the starting price is unknown, we'll call it O for like the original. Let's say we have a starting price that's unknown and then we went down 20% and then this price was increased 30%, and then we ended up at $80. How do we find that original price? Remember, the starting price is always the unknown. It is always 100%. It is 1, right? Just like 1 before we multiplied the increase, it was just 1. We have now decreased the original price 20%, and so this now will be 0.8 in terms of O. But then this 0.8 is increased 30%, and so now the change here is going to be 1.3. And so no matter how many steps you have to do, you keep expressing the value in terms of 1, and the last step is you divide, and that will give you the original price. And so we end up with 80, and so it's 80 just divided by the product of 0.8 times 1.3, and that will give you the original price. This is the exact same problem. You need to know how to work backwards. So here, we know that we have to solve for the original price. We don't know the original price. We're going to call this O. The store gave a 20% discount off that price. And so 20% discount, remember this is 100%. We're now down to 80%. This is 1, so this is going to be 0.8. The total amount that Alma paid the cashier was P dollars. That's the final price, but it also included an 8% tax. So the tax is really a form of an increase. And so think about what is the tax. It is going to be this amount, this 0.8, times an increase of 0.08. How do we express an increase of 0.08? This is an increase, so it's going to be 1.08. Sometimes they'll give you a price like I did in this example, but sometimes they're just giving you a value. The final value is P, and so all we do, we always divide. We take P, the final value, and divide it by the product of the two changes, the 0.8, that's the 20% discount, and the tax, which is 1.08, which is a form of an increase, and that's the answer, D. So make sure you understand this concept. It definitely will be tested on the new SAT.